Welcome to this meditation where we're going to take the time to reconnect with the calm in yourself, with relaxation. For that, we're going to choose a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. And when you are ready, we're going to inhale through the nose. Exhale, relax. Inhale. Exhale, let go. One more time, inhaling deeply. Exhaling, letting go. Being aware of the weight of the body on the floor. Its heaviness. And the sensation of the body from the feet to the top of the head. As a unity, as a oneness, without choosing a particular sensation, but welcoming it all, welcoming unconditionally, totally. Opens arm. Feeling the feet, the legs relaxed, the hips, the upper body, the belly, the thoracic cage, and the shoulders relaxed. The arms, the hands, and the fingers heavy. The neck and the jaw soft, gentle. The muscles of the eyes, of the forehead, up to the crown of the head, soft, so gentle. Feeling the body completely relaxed, anchored. And observing the breath, its movement through the belly. Through the thoracic cage, the chest, through the nose. Each inhale, each exhale, welcoming the breath, its softness, its love. slowly. I'm gonna wiggle, gonna wake up the fingers, waking up gently the feet, maybe the shoulders, and inhaling deeply, exhaling, letting go. Thank you. Thank you for trusting this guidance. And you can thank yourself for taking this time. Namaste, Lifexploratrice.